All right, YouTube. Today we're gonna be doing some welding on my trailer today, like I've said in a previous video, waiting on some parts to come in for that welder so we can do some floor repair on the reefer. So today we're gonna be welding on some small cracks here. Here's the trailer, 05 trailer. I made a video of this one the other day. If you hear it echoing, it's because of course it's echoing. Got the ladder here. We're gonna do some light repair on it later on. Well, that's what we're fixing today. We got a little bit of crack issue right here. We're just loading. You can see down here though. But where the deck plate flops on top of these things, they like to crack. They're prone to cracking. They've been fixed before. This one, as you can see, down in here has been fixed before from somebody else that owned it. But shouldn't be that hard to repair. It's only like the third thing I've ever welded on with aluminum, but might as well be a trailer. So I'll get you guys set up here. All right, so as you can see right here, got it all cleaned up. You know, on the top here, we're gonna be welding. Might be able to get the sides a little bit. I don't know if you can see that one or not. Yeah, there it is. Got the crack here, and then we got a crack that goes all the way from here to here on this one. On this side here, you can see where somebody's already welded it. A little bit of cleanup work right there, but there's a crack right here, a new crack that's formed, and then obviously up this way. We're gonna see how much we can really get in there or not. I don't know how that's all gonna work. Same way with this side. We're just gonna see what we can get the welder on. All right, here's how we're gonna start setting this thing up. I got it cranked all the way up. I don't know how thick this is. Pretty thick stuff here. So we're gonna try that 150, about 170 frequency, about 45% balance. The post flow, I think we're flowing like same, like almost 40 or so CFH. We are running today on the 220, which is not long enough. It stopped right about there. So we got the heavy duty cord coming out of the garage, going to the adapter. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna see how that works today. Alright guys, so the video footage you just seen was a little bit dated. It was like back whenever we had the solar eclipse this year, or 2017. But it was good footage. You know, that was my third time, I think, welding aluminum. I've done one more weld since then. It's been learning curve to say the least. But getting better at it. Biggest thing is just learning how to keep that tungsten alive, or whatever I'm using on that thing. It's the red stick on the end. You know, I don't know a whole lot about welding, as you can see in my videos, but it's like the average person trying to do a little bit of everything. But it turned out pretty good. That trailer, I didn't have the footage of it when it was all done. I ended up grinding on it a little bit and then reheating it up, and it turned out really good. The guy who bought the trailer didn't complain one bit about the repair. So, and the repair wasn't that serious. Just mostly, you want to keep on those reefers, keep the floors welded up so you don't have a whole lot of rot with the wood underneath. And that's the biggest complaint you're gonna have. But that metal there was obviously, being at the back of the trailer, it had a lot of contamination where the forklifts drag stuff in and out of the trailer, so it didn't do as good as you wanted to. I think that's the reason. I got another piece of aluminum that's been by a tire all of its life, same way, it just don't weld, a lot of junk in it. If you have any tips or suggestions, always put them in the comments below. I really like reading them, you know. I mean, I'm not the best. If I can do something to change what I'm doing to make the welds look better, that's great. So as always, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.